We are going to interview animals with the most important questions ever. Oh. Mr. Yeti, how many things have you killed in your lifetime?
Plenty. You can be next.
Deadly answer. Larry, how are you adjusting to your new digs? Larry. Next time, how has life improved for you since beginning to lay eggs?
You guys notice, Joker?
Any words for our audience? They would love to know your opinions on all things chicken life.
Get that thing out of my face!
Anything else to say?
What, do I look like a chicken to you? Just yous wait till Vinny hears about this. I thought I told yous get that thing out of my face!
Is it too personal of a question?
Get to steppin'.
Senior Larry, I know that you choose to defecate in the same spot. That is very clean of you. Why have you chosen to poop in the same spot every time you come out here? Larry! Larry! No, Broody Bird, we have questions for you. Why have you decided that you're going to be a mother without a rooster?
Do I look funny to you? You a wise guy?
Looks like we got one tough egg. Larry, do you ever think about how we're one living thing made out of trillions and trillions of smaller living things? Larry? Oh. I thought you left me. Buck Owens, recently you have taken a liking to the chicken food. Can you tell me and the audience why?
Well, stranger, I think it's really about flavor, okay?
Is it a tad embarrassing for you?
No, I think it's really about just being authentic.
Why do you pee on your face?
Yeah, well, if I understand the question correctly, you smell good, you feel good, it's a premise. Do you have any non-pee questions?
Tell the truth, this is a non-judgment-free zone.
If you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours.
Why do you pee on your face?
Really? You're gonna do me like that? I'm done here. I'm not answering questions.
Dizzy, after 15 years on this earth, do you have any words for the younger generations?
Oh yeah, I got 3 things. Love, forgiveness, and keep your children off of TikTok. That's probably the most important. TikTok is really bad for your brain.
Oh, love. Love and licks. Timeless words from a timeless dog. We have ways of making animals talk. Now you have answers to my questions. Okay. Oh, alrighty then. Okay. Oh, alright.
Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers, money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket engine, get to rock.
You lost. I think he lost. You best not step on this block. You won't learn today. He dumb? I think he dumb.
I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown.
You know where you're at. He in the wrong place. Let me see what you got.
Boy. I like buckets.
Get him!
Get him, 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 get him. Get him, 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 get him. Larry, how is life going? He really doesn't like this question. That's the llama call.
As you can see, I received the beating of a lifetime.
Larry, you're back. Tell me how it feels. Pretty positive it sounds. Sounds like you're really enjoying your new home. Yes. Enjoy this feast. Tell me your deepest, darkest secret. It might be time to call it quits on the interview! No! No! Like, subscribe, and have a great day.